colour of these palettes is so nice. Start with a makeup part, and this is my makeup bag that I bring it with me in every trip. It's really pigmented. Where should I put it on? Hello everyone, it's Winnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a second part for packing with me, and I'm going to talking about my makeup that I'm going to bring it with me on this trip. So yes, let's jump right to the video. I am so stupid because I record the video and then I accidentally delete it. Good job, Rim. So I have to do it again on those days that I got allergic from my skincare, and that's the reason why I can't put the makeup on. For now I feel so itchy and painful, but anyways, because I love you guys so much, I really want to post a video today, so this is why I filmed it again. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that my face not scare you. Start with a makeup part, and this is my makeup bag that I bring it with me in every trip. So first step that I'm going to do, of course, I'm going to do eye makeup, and I changed eye makeup primer to this one, which is Louise number 4. I heard a lot of people talking about this a lot, and of course I have to try it myself, and I love it. So because my eyelid, it's really oily, that's why I need an eye primer, and this one lasts me all day. The colour show up really nice and make the eyeshadow blend it really nice as well. So if you have exactly the same problem, if your eyelid is so oily, I recommend you to have an eye primer, and this is the one that I suggest you to use it. Talking about eyeshadow, I have 2 different eyeshadow color. So not eyeshadow color, eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is the old Tartelette, which is the first original one. So this one, it's all matte, and you can use as a natural look or smoky eye look. I love this one because it's quite youthful palette, and I mean, in case that I forget a eyebrow powder, I could use it as eyebrows as well. And the other that I love it so much recently, and I literally just got it, this one, Charlotte Tilbury Easy Eye Look. To be honest, I know that why a lot of people love Charlotte Tilbury, and if I pronounce this wrong, I'm sorry about that. So the colour of these palettes is so nice. They are so smooth, they're so stunning, and they are easy to blend as well, as you can see. So this palette is just like, everyday look, or you could make it as a smoky look, glam look, and I'm pretty sure this color is suited for every skin tones as well. It's easy to use, you can mix it up and you can't go wrong with it. So I love Charlotte Tilbury so much. The next step will be mascara, and these 2 mascara, I love it so much. The first one is Maybelline Correso waterproof mascara. I use this one first. After I curl my lashes, I use this one first. This one doesn't give me any length, but it does separate my eyelashes, and it holds it up because my eyelashes always, coming down as Asian lashes. But then after that, I use this one, which is Maybelline Sky High, as you can see from the package. When I first get this mascara, I don't really like it, and that's because I think that's because it's quite wet. But then after I keep using this mascara for a while, I start to love it because it's drying down a bit. And this one, it's like just plastic, chopped plastic brush, which I love. It could go like in any area in your lashes, and I think it gave me like extra black texture, and it gave me length and volumes as well. Compared to this one, the brush is just not, the short one is a bit long, but it's hold my eyelashes up. That's why I use this one first and then follow with the Sky High. So on the everyday basic, I didn't want to use like, you know, a full foundation. So for now, back to basic, which is this one, which is Tarte tape. I used this one for a while and then I completely forget about it, and then I found it in one of my drawer and then I started using it again and I love it. So yes, this one, a full coverage concealer, and I really love it. It's just lightweight. I love the applicator, it's quite big, and yeah, it doesn't feel heavy on my face. That's why recently I just use only concealer to cover my under eye area or some place that I'd like to cover some dark spot or some acne. Yes, if you're looking for some full coverage concealer, not foundation, concealer, I suggest you this one. I'm pretty sure that you heard about this a lot. I have two different powder. The first one will be a Rimmel translucent stay matte powder. This one I used to set after I put any cream or concealer on. So this one, I think this one helps me a lot because I have an oily skin, and it helps to hold my makeup on my face rather than, you know, I used to use some translucent powder, but it doesn't hold my makeup that long. I mean, it doesn't hold my makeup all day. Some of them just like set it and then after 2 hours just, you know, melt it out. And then following with this one, which is foundation powder from Studio Matte Fix in a number NC25, because I didn't want to use much foundation on everyday life. That's why I used in the concealer, follow setting with this powder, and then follow with MAC Studio Fix powder, and I love it so much. It gave me more coverage and it has a lot of color. I'm pretty sure that you also know about you know, people talking about this product already, but yes, I using this and I love this one. So another two cream products that I love, I forget to mention this. This one is Chanel, I'm going to say Maybelline, Chanel LeBlanc, kind of like base makeup, not base primer, base makeup. So I use this one after sunscreen. The reason that I use this one because it brightened up my skin just a little bit, and sometimes because in Thailand the weather is really hot, like hot all year, so sometimes it could make my makeup drop during the day. That's why I'm using this one, just brighten it up a bit and it doesn't make my makeup look so tan, like really tan. So this one, it got SPF 40s as well, and it keep my makeup last all day. And again, I prefer to use a base makeup rather than you know, some face primer. I do use some face primer sometimes when I just go to a special occasion. So when I want my makeup like bam, stick all day and look good all night, something like that, of course I'm going to use that one. But I found out if I keep using that, because I have an oily skin, as you know, I keep using face primer, and for some reason I got blackheads more and more. But then I don't have any problem with this one. It's lightweight, it keeps my makeup last all day, and yes, that's why I love it. Another cream product that I love, of course, a Benefit Cha-Cha tint. So for now, I love to have kind of like a little bit natural, not completely natural, but light makeup than before I start to wearing makeup. And I started using a cream makeup a lot, and one of it is this one, which is Benefit Cha-Cha tint, as I told you earlier. So I love this one. Is just like, you know, a orange color. I love this one. It's blended really nicely, especially if you use a brush to blend it out. So yes, I quite like it. I'm not sure how well you can see, but I love these colors so much. It blends it really nicely, it lasts you all day, and you could use outer lipsticks as well. It's quite useful. For my eyebrows, of course, if you follow me for a while, you will know I always use this one. So this one is Anastasia Beverly Hills brown powder in grey and black colour. I used this one for a while and it lasts me all day again. So the reason that I keep telling you this makeup lasts you all day, this makeup lasts me all day, because I have an oily skin and in Thailand it's really warm. Trust me, if you didn't have dry skin, after you do your makeup for 2 hours, you're going out, your makeup will be like melt out. So this is why I love this one, because it lasts me all day, it doesn't move, it doesn't smudge, and yes, it lasts me. You might say it's not drugstore makeup, but to be honest, this package lasts me almost a year. So yes, it's completely and worth your money, to be honest. Last two products that I'm going to talking about, it's my favorite part, and that is contour and bronzer. So the first one will be contour, and this one is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in matte. I believe that they launched a new kind of like bronzing shade, which it has the shimmer on it, but I love the original one, and the smell so good. So this one is quite cool tone, that's why I use it for contour my face, and I got the little package which is friendly for travel, of course, and yes, it lasts me all day again. The smells is really nice and I love it. So the last one will be bronzer, and this is a second product from this brand that I bought, and that is Fenty Beauty. So this one is Caramel Cutie color. So it's like warm tone, but it's in a matte texture. So yes, I do like shimmering, kind of like shimmering bronzer, but when I come back to Thailand, I love something matte, because after you do makeup for 2 hours, you will look like disco ball. That's why I'm trying to use powder product and matte texture. So this one, it's really pigmented. Where should I put it on? This one is really pigmented, and it's blended really nicely. Hope that you can see it's blended really nicely, and it's lasts me all day. It doesn't make my face look like I put too much bronzer. That's why I love it. And that is all about the makeup that I'm going to bring it with me on this trip. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you're making this far, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. That will support my channel a lot. So yes, next video is going to be my trip in Pattaya, so stay tuned for that, and see you guys on next video. Bye.